Mabuhay! It's Melanie. How are you guys? For today's video, I'm doing monochromatic. So monochromatic are outfits that have the same color or similar color that you would put together, like this picture. And then I will show you 4 different outfits, and I would like to inspire you. I hope these videos will inspire you to not think that monochromatic outfits are boring, because you know what, monochromatic are really elegant, and if you wear something like this, you look very expensive. You look like you're put up. You plan your outfit, or you look elegant. So anyways, let's get started.
Monochromatic number 1. So all black outfit, but I incorporate the outfit with some texture like this corset top, and I put the paper bag or the trouser pants, and then I incorporate it to a leather jacket, and of course this all-time favorite now that I got it from thrift store. These shoes are really great for this outfit, and that's all I can say. Wait, there's more. I need this cute purse to complete my outfit. So it looks like I'm going out for a night party, or just going on a date, and add these cute earrings. Oh my gosh, I can't say how much I love black now, how much I love dressing up with a monochromatic ever since I got here in Canada. And you guys can do it. Try it out and add a little bit of texture with your outfit that you're gonna put it on. Monochromatic number 2. As you can see, this is beige kind of brown. I added this trouser to have some texture on this outfit, and I put on this blazer that it was kind of office looking piece, but it will match it up the outfit that I put together. So as you can see, my belly is a bit bigger today, as I think I had too much water. So bear with this big tummy. And I hope you stay in this whole video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Click the red button below, and don't forget to ring the bell. I would love to hear from you guys. Third monochromatic outfit would be this elegant dress that you can match it up and look it like casual. And there you have it. I will just add ankle boots, brown ankle boots, to match it with this outfit. I love this outfit. I think I wore this outfit before when I did what is the word I am looking for? I am really sorry. I went to a fashion show. After the fashion show, this is what I wore, this full outfit, and I love it. People loved it so much, so that's why I put this in this video. I included it. I hope you like it. Yes, cha cha cha. I know. I think I'm going to a party. If you have a really long dress like this and you don't really like to wear it, I have a tip for you. Get a rubber band or any black ponytail, tie it and make a bun on the bottom of your legs or bottom of your butt, or I think perhaps, and you can just pull it up and make that kind of bun that I did in this video. That way you won't look shorter and it will look still classy. Monochromatic number 4, last but not the least. This casual, groovy looking outfit is perfect when you want to go shopping, you want to go meet a friend, a casual, or anywhere you want to go and you want to be comfy. This is what you can wear. And I just incorporated into sandals because I do not have a pair that I can pair. I do not have a pair of shoes that I can pair that with this. But you know what? You can wear this outfit and put on sneakers and it will look absolutely great. Excuse me again with this big tummy that I have. I know, I think I had too much water. Bear with me. I hope you like all of the outfit and don't be scared to do a monochromatic outfit. It's fabulous. Thank you for watching and I hope you subscribe, like, and comment down below for more engagement. Thank you so much. Bye for now.